Let's learn how to write and implement page titles and meta descriptions on your WordPress website. First, what are they? A page title is an HTML element in the header of each web page that specifies its title. It is displayed at the top of the browser like so. It also appears in the search engine results pages as the clickable headline. A page title is also known as a title tag. A meta description is an HTML element that provides a concise summary of a web page. Meta descriptions are commonly shown beneath the page title and URL in the search engine results page. Page titles and meta descriptions are important for SEO because they tell the search engines and users the focus of each page. They impact a page's rank in the search engine results page, and they also are people's first impression of that page and your brand. Well-written page titles and meta descriptions will not only improve a page's rank for a keyword, but also impact how likely a person is to click on the result. Now let's learn how to write page titles and meta descriptions. Writing page titles and meta descriptions is an art and a science. First, a couple of best practices. For page titles, aim for 50 to 60 characters, formatted like the title of a book with capitalization. A separator, such as a vertical bar or a dash, is typically utilized within a page title, and they need to be unique for every page on your website. For meta descriptions, we typically target less than 160 characters, follow a sentence format, and again, are unique for every page on your website. If you have a relatively small website of 1 to 15 pages, then aim to craft custom page titles and meta descriptions for all pages. If your website is larger, you may decide to focus on custom page titles and meta descriptions for the most important pages and then automate their generation for the rest. Start with a spreadsheet with a column for URL, page title, meta description, and focus keyword. Decide which pages you will write custom page titles and meta descriptions for, and include them in your first column of your spreadsheet under URL. Then, revisit your keyword research and map keywords to pages by listing the focus keywords for each URL. Aim to integrate different focus keywords for each page and make sure they're relevant to the copy on the page. Next, draft page titles and meta descriptions for each per the standards described above. For the page title, we typically recommend the format of brand, then your separator, and your focus keyword on the home page. This places strong brand emphasis in the search engine results page. For all internal website pages, we recommend placing the focus keyword first, then your separator, followed by your brand. Once your spreadsheet is complete, schedule an SEO coaching session via the WP SEO Hub, because writing page titles and meta descriptions is often one of the more important SEO tasks, and input from an expert is invaluable. Now you're ready to add your page titles and meta descriptions to your website. Here's how with Yoast Seo. Log into your WordPress website, navigate to Yoast, and go to the dashboard. Select features and make sure the advanced features are turned on. Then go to Titles and Metas in the left navigation. We'll start by configuring the automation component of the page titles and meta descriptions for your website. This allows us to positively impact a large number of pages quickly before we customize at the page level. First, select a title separator. We like the vertical bar, but there are a lot of great choices. Then, select the Posts tab. Here you can set automated page titles and meta descriptions using variables. The use of variables ensures that your page titles and meta descriptions will be unique for all pages. You can learn more about variables in our how-to documentation, or set to defaults that work well for most websites. For this website, we've decided to customize the page titles and meta descriptions for all pages, and then to automate for posts. For posts, we'll set the defaults like so. The variable excerpt is typically a good option for meta descriptions. Save changes. Now let's configure your custom page titles and meta descriptions via the spreadsheet. Go to the page or post you would like to edit and at the top of the page, click Edit Page. Scroll to the Yoast SEO plugin section of the Edit page and click on it. Add your page title to the SEO title field and add your meta description to the meta description field. Also add your keyword or your focus keyword. Save your work by clicking on Update. Rinse and repeat for all pages and posts in your spreadsheet. And voila! Page titles and meta descriptions are complete. Great job.